Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to add polls option in WhatsApp. To begin, open the WhatsApp app. Open a random chat. In the chat, find the plus icon located at the bottom left corner. Now select the poll option. To create a poll, enter the question you want to ask. Add options that will present possible answers to your question. You can add multiple options to the poll. Tap on add and type each option. You can add as many options as needed. Choose whether you allow or disallow multiple answers. After adding options, tap to send the poll. Once it's sent to the group, everyone can choose their preferred options. You can also view the poll results. Polls are useful for planning events, gathering, or group outings. They help gauge interests, preferred dates, and locations, making it easier to organize group activities. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.